everybody! My name is Alex, and today we're gonna be playing this very realistic game called the Richie's Playing Experience. Judging by the title, I'm pretty scared. Okay. I saw this before I started recording, and I want to touch it. Not suitable for children. Well, half my audience just left. Okay, so I'm gonna do that in a different video because I'm scared of everything. Okay, let's go to the plank. Whatever it was. This is nice music. Is that a helicopter? Oh damn. Oh damn. Oh. I'm gonna do a full review on this game. And I highly don't recommend this if you are scared of heights. I am, so this is actually mental. This is actually a pretty nice view. Gravity! And there's the game. I'm gonna fall off. Let's get to like 30 likes on this video, please. Alright? Because I feel like I'm dying. Oh, you can't fall. Oh god! No! Let me back up! Let me back up! Please! Please let me back up! No, no, no! Okay, now I'm physically and mentally dead. Let's go to something else. Push an elevator button. No kidding. What did I expect? Let's do Hero Academy. Let's see what that is. Richie's Hero Academy. What's this? Oh. What do I do with these? Oh. No. Oh. Oh, damn. Ah! Oh. Astro Boy. I want to land on top of this. Nope. Nope. Can I get on the helicopter? Ah! Ah! Oh, God. This is so cool. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh! Hey, buddy! Watch where you park your car, you dumb idiot! Oh, it was like in the middle of the damn road! Idiots these days. Toasty. Hey, yo! Watch where you... Idiot, watch where you're driving! Damn, he just ran me over! It's like that. My channel. Wow. What's inside his nose? Oh, damn. it's a fountain. That just looks like a video. And where's the water? This looks like blood. And I'm kind of concerned for what that button does in the elevator. I don't know. I have a feeling it's gonna do like something with this. It's blood wood. Superman. Can I fit that crack? Too fat. I'm not even fat. I like this game. It's fun, but scary. Hey yo, me and this block are up in the crib. We're just vibing. Yeah, we're just standing here. He can't physically move. But I can! Ow. Ooh. Okay. Skybrush. Why did it just spawn me in the elevator? Jet blasting. Oh. Pink. Baby. Oh, damn. What happened? Well, I broke the game. I cannot see anything? Well... God damn it. I'm just gonna end the video here. Whatever happened, I broke it. I'll see you guys next time, I guess. Bye!